What is a database? Lecture 1 Objectives. Understand how we depend on a database in our daily life. Define what is a database and how it works. Explain the general idea about file management system in a computer environment. Explain the general idea about storage media in a computer environment. List the file types in a computer environment. Introduction to database. Whenever you need to store data in any format about customers, patients, orders, etc., in your business or your research, you need a database. Whether in a scientific environment or a business environment. In fact, databases has become an important part of our life. What is database? A database is a formally arranged set of persistent information stored by a computer program. And formally arranged means that the information is structured in some particular way, while persistent information means that the data remains intact after the program that accessed the information has ended. In other words, a database is a collection of data organized to provide efficient management of the data, as well as easy access to and updating of the data. Why do we need a database? A database is better than flat files for the following reasons. It is easy to update and manage. Avails better security for the confidential data. Easy to access. Prevents redundancy in data. What is a file management system? A file is a collection of records related to the same subject. It is stored in a storage space that exists in a storage media. Storage media. The most commonly used data storage technologies are magnetic, that has two forms, direct access and sequential access. Optical, for example the compact disc and the magnetic optical disc. And finally paper, for example the printed forms and punched paper tapes. The magnetic has two forms, direct access and sequential access, such as tape drives. The random access means the operating system asks for any random block or sector on the device. In sequential access, the operating system reads from the same track, then switches to the second sequentially. File types. File types can be divided into direct access files, sequential files, and index sequential files. File management system. Index sequential file. Unique key occurs once for each record. Each record must have a unique key. This unique key is used to write and retrieve the record. For queries, we need a secondary key.